Cole playing with a plastic container. Chris, why don't you bring that plastic container over in the living room? See if Cole will follow you. Hey Cole. Come here. Whoop, you got some shoes. Get up.
Come here. Hey. Cole. Cole.
Wow, what are you tipping upside down then?
Yeah, over and then.
Here he comes. He's following that thing.
Where are you going? Where are you going? You got your toy?
Come on.
You got your toy?
Go back now, chase him.
Grandma gonna get you.
Oh.
Oh, go ahead. I'm gonna get you. Go in front. Grandma's gonna get you. Hurry up. Grandma's gonna get you.
Grandma gonna get you.
I'm gonna get you. Hurry up. You can get him. He's going good now.
I will.
Can I get you?
He sees this plastic thing.
I'm gonna get you. Get going. Can I get you? Can I get you? I'm gonna get you this way. I'm gonna get you this way.
Cole.
Go see Daddy. I'm gonna get you this way. Get going.
Come here.
Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
See if we see that plastic now.
Go show him how you climb on the couch.
He got his eye on it. He got his eye on it.
What you gonna do with that?
What you gonna do with that?
Gotta flip it over. Get out of there! What you gonna do now? What you doing? There's your playpen, Grandma. Get out! Get out! Get out! Save yourself! Save yourself! Flip it over. What you gonna do now? Now what? You stand up on it? Oh my God. If he stands up, I'm going to piss myself. Nice family home video. What are you doing?
His new birthday present. Grab a bottom of plate.
What are you doing? Trying to put your leg around your head? Move your foot, Dad.
He's licking it.
Fly! Fly like a bird! Far, far! Jump on the couch, Cole! Jump! Jump where you lie! Hey! Look it! He's like a circus lion! Get on the box and dance! Get on the box and dance!
Oh, you're getting it.
Oh my God! Oh.
Get over there, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Push it. Push it.
Christy, most we can come.
What was the grunt for?
Like a lion.
Where are you going? Christy, see if you'll climb up on the couch. Back up a little bit, Christy. Where are you going? This is 2 days after Cole's first birthday. Come here, see Mom.
You're irritated.
Hmm?
Yep.
Now what?
Clap your hands. Yay, cool. Yay.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it.
Clap your hands. Stand your faces.
You know it, clap your hands.
fine. Clap your hands.
Oh, he's good.
What
You ever notice everything?
Yay! Cool!
Kiss. Good job, kiss. No.
Yay! Climb up on the couch, buddy. Don't stop the tricks here. Get up on the couch. Do it. You can do it. Come here. Get up on it.
Go see Mama.
Use your plastic container. How are you going to get up here? Here, give me a can, Dad. Whoa! Hey, Cole.
Thanks, man.
Hey, Cole. Hey, Cole, look what Mommy's got. Look at Mommy's got.
Bud Light.
Hey, Cole.
Hi. You shaking it? Are you shaking it?
Hey, look at mommy.
Hey, Cole. Turn him around, Chris. Put him on the other side of the box.
Red Rum.
Red Rum. Hold on for the applause for a second.
Red Rum.
Here he comes.
Red Rum. Red Rum. Let me adjust.
All right, that's enough circus tricks for the night. This one's going out to Ashley and Amber.